What is up, guys? It is me, Zeptile, and guys, today what we are going to be doing is teaching you how to make stuff pop up on your screen, like pictures like that. So I'm going to be telling you guys how to do that with iMovie. So I know it's pretty hard to do with iMovie because you're not allowed to do that, but there's a way you can sneak in to do that, and it's pretty easy. By the way, this is not my phone. I'm using my mom's phone, and this is not the camera that I'm recording with. I'm using my brother's camera. So yeah, and it's still good quality somehow. But anyways, if you guys want to know how to do that, so wait, let me. So this is how you do it. I'll be back. Alright, guys. So my phone. Oh my god, my phone should be somewhere over here or something like that. So I'm on my phone. I mean, not my phone, but yeah. So pretend this is the video. Okay, wait. Let me turn down the volume. Pretend this is the like I made a random video. Pretend this is the video that I want to add a picture, like right now. I want to add a picture there. So as you see, if you go to photos and selfies, okay, not those. Let's just pick a little Christmas tree. Like, I'm sorry guys if I like zoomed in because this is my mom's phone and I don't think she wants me to reveal her other photos. So I just picked a quick photo of my Christmas tree, right? So as you see, I tapped on the to add, and it didn't give me the options to like put it in the screen or something like that. It just put it down next to my video. You guys want to overlay it, like overlap, like the picture overlap the video so it can be on in the video, the picture. So what you want to do is delete that. You want to press done. You want to go here and add, and then you want to create a new one. And then, sorry guys, I might block out some stuff because there's private stuff on here. But and now you want to get your picture and create a movie. You just want your picture and create the movie picture. So as you see, I have my picture here, and as you see, it's just like a normal video. It's basically a video now. So what you want to do is press done, go to the share button down, and then go to save video, and then put it as what quality you want. Doesn't really matter. So guys, while I was editing this video, I realized that the phone was not the whole screen because it's too small to fit in that small like half screen on the side. So and you guys probably don't know what I just did there. So I'm just gonna re-explain the whole thing right here. So what you wanna do after I said if you wanna overlay it is get your picture that you want. You wanna make a new movie and then put that picture only inside, then it'll turn into like a video. And then what you wanna do is save it in your phone. Save it as a video, like save it to your camera roll. That's what you basically want to do in that step. That's what I did, and then you choose the quality and it'll do it. So that's what, just for video purposes, I'm just gonna do it quick. So I'm gonna do like a low quality one. I'm just gonna do a low quality so it can be faster. And then you want to go back to your the video you want to add the picture in. So as you see now, I'm going to be like add the picture now. Alright, so here I'm going to put the split thing. And then you want to go here, video. And as you see, your picture should count as a video. So then you want to press the three dots. And we're going to pick, oh, this is changed. We're going to do picture in picture. I think that is, yes, it is. So what you want to do is, there, your picture's basically there now. So what you want to do is tap on it to move it, and press those like arrows. Wait, press those arrows to move it. You can zoom in, zoom out. So as you see, let's rewatch the video now and let's see what happens. That was kind of like bad timing how I did it, because I did this and then the picture pop up. But you guys can do it really good if you want to. I just did a rush on this because I wanted to finish this, because it's quick and easy. It's basically easy. So basically it's not really a video, it's still a picture. And yeah, guys, I'm super happy because there was a new update in iMovie that I just noticed. So do you know how you add the pictures and stuff, and there's like that white outline around it, and like that's so annoying for some of us, and like we want to have face cams, like not with that white thing, just like the screen only. So this is how you do it. And before I start I'll tell you how to do it. If you guys want to know how a face cam tutorial, make sure to drop a like and comment down below on this video you want a face cam tutorial. But guys, when you click on the picture, or like the video technically, you want to press it's like a little square box, and if you press that, the thing removes. So you want to do that if you don't want the white outline around your picture or face cam, which I'll probably do in the next video, teaching you guys how to do face cam in iMovie. But yeah, so I'm kind of pissed off because I made another video before, like not a gaming video, like an actual setup video, and you know how people like those, get lots of views and stuff. I did another one, the video corrupted. It was, by the way guys, that's the video that I said I'll do like lots of edits on, but sadly it corrupted. But good thing I didn't do the edits. I just did the video, I did not do the edits, and it corrupted somehow. So like I had it ready to like edit and stuff, and when I like came back, because I had to go to my cousin's house, then I came back, it said it was corrupted, everything was blocked off, and I don't know why, but like at least I got this video out. It's a tutorial, so it's pretty good. It was so good, but it corrupted. I'm gonna try getting it back. If I get it back, I'll post that video. It's called "Is the Purge Actually Happening?" But I don't know if I get it back. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want another tutorial like this. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. By the way guys, before I end this video, if you guys like the edits in this video, like that was too much. But if you guys like the sound effect on that, if you liked how like I popped that up in the right timing, let me know. I'll do a video on that and the sound effects. So yeah, peace guys, have a good day.